right here is a parabola that's going from left to right. Okay, and this is a parabola starting from 1 and it's going right to left. Okay, and they intersect at 1, 1 and 1, negative 1. So we're going to rotate this area on x equals 3. So here's 1. Actually, they don't. This is 1, so they don't intersect at 1, 1. So we're going to have to maybe make the y's values equal to each other and find out what this value is. Okay, but let's first visualize it. 2, 3. So there's distance of 2 to the area. So we need to go to 4 and 5. Okay, and then 6. Okay, we're going to rotate it like this. Okay, where this is the axis of rotation. Okay, so for the disk, let's visualize the disk here. That right there is the outer disk. Okay, and we have to subtract from the inside this disk right here. Okay, and we're going to integrate from because the thickness is dy, we're going to integrate from on the y-axis. So to find out where we should start and finish, start is easy, 0. Finish, we need to find what that y value is by making the two x's equal to each other. So you get y is equal to plus minus 1 over root 2. So we need to integrate from 0 to 1 over root 2. 0 to here. The bottom volume is going to be exactly symmetrical to the top. So we can just double integrate from 0 to 1 over root 2. Okay, it's always nice to have one of the interval ends to be 0 because it's going to be easier for us to evaluate later. Okay, so it's pi. Radius of the blue depends on, right, 3 minus the x value, right, the x value on this parabola. So it's going to be 3 minus y squared. Okay, the red, right, it's again 3, right, minus the x value on this parabola. So it's going to be 3 minus this. So minus 1 plus y squared, all squared. Okay, so let's not do some algebra to clean this up. This right here, I'm going to simplify it as 2. And then expand now. 9 minus 6y squared plus y to the power of 4. Okay, you get 4 plus 4y squared plus 4y to the power of 4. Okay, so I can pull the pi out. So 9 minus 4 gives you 5. So 6y squared minus 4y squared is minus 10y squared. And these two each other just cancel out, right? So actually that's quite nice. So now we're dealing with 2 pi, antiderivative is 5y minus 10 over 3y cubed. So 5, 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2 cubed. Okay, so this is 5 over root 2, 10, 3. We're going to get 2 root 2. Okay, so how did this minus turn into plus? It should be minus, right? Okay, minus. Okay, so we have 5 over root 2 minus 5 over 3 root 2. Okay, you can factor out the 5 to get 10 out here. And you have 3 minus, right, 1 over 3 root 2. So that's 2, so it's going to give you 20 pi over 3 root 2. Okay, so if you want to rationalize the denominator, we can multiply the top and bottom by root 2. And you get 20 pi root 2 over 3 times 2, reduced to get 10 root 2 pi over 3 for the volume.